Peace Queens, this video is all about our Yummy Yoni Eggs. Adding Yoni Eggs to your daily routine can help tighten your vaginal canal, increase natural moisture, strengthen your pelvic floor, and create new nerve endings for better sex. To experience these benefits as well as others, you have to use your Yummy Yoni Egg for at least 15 minutes to no longer than 8 hours a day. In the beginning, you might find it difficult to keep your Yummy Yoni Egg inserted, but that's the goal. Once inserted, practice squeezing and releasing your Yummy Yoni Egg. With practice, this is the easy exercise for your yoni that you can add to your daily routine. To see a full list of benefits of our Yummy Yoni Eggs, read about it in the description below. I hope this video was helpful for you. To learn more about our Yummy Yoni Eggs or to get your Yummy Yoni Egg, visit us online at prettykittyboutique.net. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!